Okay, Assalamualaikum. So we will discuss questions for June 2019. Okay, this one sent by one of your friend. Okay, I will discuss the answer. Okay, so this is the question: purchase second-hand computer on credit for office use. Okay, this one they purchase second-hand computer. So and then this is on credit, so you will record in the general journal. Okay, because this is the computer, which is the computer is the non-current asset and it is on credit, so you will record in general journal. Okay, and then you purchase good on credit from supplier. Okay, this one you purchase good on credit, so you will record in purchase journal. Okay, and then you return damaged good to supplier. Okay, this one you will record in return outward journal. Okay, sold goods for cash. Okay, when we sold goods for cash, you will immediately receive the cash. So we record in the cash receipt journal. Okay, defective good were returned by customers. Okay, this one is returned inward. Okay, because the customer returned back the goods to us. Okay, owner took goods for personal use. So if owner took goods for personal use, you cannot record in the purchase journal. Okay, but you have to record in the general journal. Okay, because this is the draw goods. Okay, draw good you will record in general journal. Purchase journal is only for this one lah, purchase good on credit sahaja. Okay, but if the owner took the goods for personal use, you will record in the general journal. Okay, however, if the owner took cash for personal use, you will record in the cash payment journal. Okay, do not confuse. Remember, we have two types of drawing. One is draw goods, you will record in general journal. Another one is draw cash, you will record in the cash payment journal. Okay, and then you sales of good to customers and does not receive any payment yet, so this means that this is selling good on credit, so you will record in the sales journal. Okay, and then you will issue a check to pay a supplier. Okay, so when you make payment, you will record in the cash payment journal. Alright, so this is the answer for question number 2C. Alright. Okay, and then this one is number 4. Okay, sebab number 3 tak jawab lagi, so we go straight to number 4. Okay, Ali and Aifa started a partnership business sharing profit and loss in proportions 2:1. So the partnership agreement are as follows. Okay, the interest on capital is to be allowed to all partners at 15% per annum. Okay, salary to both partners 6,000 per month. Interest on drawing carries 5% per month. So this is the capital and also the current account as at 1st January 2018. Okay, during the year, the net profit of the firm is 214,500. Okay, Ali withdraw 10,000 on 1st July and Aifa withdraw 5,000 on 31st October. Okay, Aifa also give loan 12,000 to the firm on 1st April. Okay, the partners are entitled 8% per annum on any loan provided to the partnerships. So you have to record the statement of profit and loss. Okay, so first we will start with the net profit. Okay, and then you will add interest on drawing. So interest on drawing, if you can see here, okay, Ali make drawing 10,000 on 1st July, which is July to December, it is 6 months. Okay, you can use your finger to calculate the months accurately. Okay, and then Aifa withdraw 5,000 on 31st October. So if 31st October, we will start with November. Okay, so November, December, 2 months only. Okay, and then the interest is 5%. Okay, so this is the correct answer. And then you will less interest on capital. So you can see here is the capital. Okay, 4,500 and also 6,000. Okay, and then you will minus salary. Okay, salary for each worker is 6,000. So 6,000 times 12. Okay, 70,000 each. And then for the interest on loan, only Aifa give loan to the business 12,000 on 1st April. Okay, so April to December, okay, 8%. April to December is 9 months. Okay, 9 over 12, and then this is the 2000. Okay, so the profit for appropriations is 59,572, and then the appropriated profit, okay, Ali 2/3 and IFA 1/3. So Ali will get 39715 and IFA 19857. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Okay, and then for partners capital account, okay, partners capital account, we will start with Siti. This is not the Siti. Kenapa dapat Siti ni? Okay, Ali and Aifa ni. Okay, dia tak ada any changes. So, balance BD and balance CD will be the same. Okay, and then for partners current account, okay, both balance BD in the credit side. Okay. Okay, and then the interest on loan, only Aifa. Okay, this is the interest on capital. Okay, the salary, if the question doesn't mention anything, so we assume that all partners still not receive the salary. Okay, and then this is the appropriated profit. Okay, and then for drawing, 10,000 and 5,000, and then this is also the interest on drawing. Okay, so this is the balance carried forward. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Okay, and then don't forget to answer question C. Okay, two function of P&L appropriation account. Okay, tu function ni nanti tolong jawab, jangan tinggalkan. Rugilah kalau you tinggalkan. Okay, so question number